Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Many people would have told you to practice a lot of questions, and for CA Foundation, there are two papers having 100 marks of MCQs, and for CA Inter, every single paper 30 marks is MCQ only. And you know that you have to practice lots of MCQ, and people tell you that you have to practice, but I am going to give you a free resource where there are 1000 plus MCQs which are available for free for your practice for each of the subjects in Dhira Test, guys. Now when you come to Dhira Test website, you just have to go to the free MCQs section on top for foundation and inter. I'm just going to show you how it is for inter. You can see all the subjects which is available. For example, I'm going to SM, FM, SM, and I'm starting the quiz for set 3. And if you see here, for each of the subjects there are lots of sets. For FM, SM there are 8 sets. Law there are 9 sets. For auditing there are 6 sets. Now I'm going to show you how the quiz is going to be. So once I start the quiz, para-based questions, the same way as how ICA is going to test you. It is going to be a case study based question, MCQ only. It is not going to be a direct question here. And now for now I'm just entering simply. Randomly I'm going to enter, and here if you see, there are 15 questions and the timer keeps going on. This test is actually for 40 minutes, and in 40 minutes you are expected to finish the 15 questions. Say for example you go to the 14th question, you finish, and you go to the 4th question, you finish. Like this, you can even mark questions for later review and keep. So once you do that, you can keep moving forward for the next quiz. Next question. I keep pressing something, I keep going to the next question, guys. So in the end, once I do this, a beautiful dashboard comes for each of the student. Now that is a place which is going to help you to improve for your next MCQ practice. Now when I submit the quiz, it's going to tell me the total questions which are there, how many I have answered, how many I have not answered at all. I've marked for review and answered and marked for review, not answered and marked for review. Now I am submitting the quiz. Now this is the dashboard that you're going to get. In this dashboard you can see your score, where you have scored 4 out of 30 marks, how much is correct, how much is incorrect, how much is unattempted, and even time distribution analysis. What is the percentage of time you spent on each of the answers, and difficulty score, topics percentage, everything. You're going to get this beautiful dashboard, and rank also is given, guys. With the number of students who have attempted the test, you will be given a rank also. So once you get all of this, you can even re-attempt the quiz, because now you will prepare again and you can write the quiz again. So this is a beautiful source. 1000 plus MCQs and all case study based questions similar to ICA. This is going to be a huge game changer for you. I have belief in that. So please make use of this free resource which is available for you at Dhira Test, and all the very best for your exams, guys.